In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view forms in TurboTax Online. Being able to review your forms is an important part of managing your taxes and making sure all your information is correct. First, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website from Intuit. Once the home page loads, look for the Sign In button in the top right corner and log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before you can access your tax information. After signing in, you'll be taken to the TurboTax dashboard. From there, find the 2024 Taxes section and click on it. This will take you to the area where your current tax return and documents are stored. Next, look for Tax Tools on the left side of the screen and click on it. A small menu will appear with additional options. From that menu, select Tools to open more features for managing your tax information. Inside the Tools section, click on View Tax Summary. This will show you a quick overview of your tax return, including your reported income, deductions, and estimated taxes owed or refunded. If you want to see more detailed information, choose Preview or Review Tax Summary. This will allow you to go through your tax forms and entries more carefully so you can confirm that everything is accurate and complete. Reviewing your forms regularly can help you spot errors early and ensure your tax return is prepared correctly. That's how you view your forms in TurboTax Online. Thanks for watching and happy tax filing.